I'll do negotiating.
¿Quién está llorando?
Alright, fish. Alright, man, you know what it is. You're right here at the first Daygo races. Homies doing passes. Nah, you're good, you're good. Got the homies right here with the quads and shit. What's good, my boy?
Getting active, you already know.
You already know. Shit, I brought my bike out, but I'm not gonna be racing tonight. We'll just keep it later on, you know. No, homies doing test passes and shit. Packing right now. First Daygo races. Shout out to San Diego Mini Bikes hosting this shit right here. You know.
It's only up from here.
Right lane or left? Right lane. Literally first ever San Diego mini bike races, boy. It's the first winner, no? First winner, my boy. Homie Chris right here. Hey fam, I don't know what the fuck's in that shit. I don't know what the fuck's in that shit. That boy had gears with. That boy had gears with. That boy said, wing. This is, I believe, the third or fourth race. Took that dub. What's in that shit? Huh? What do you have in that shit? Fox though. Second winner right here. Vergas.
Forgot that picked up. I picked up when I shipped the second, dude.
Forgot the battery, the gears.
Yeah, it's actually a good length.
Better than the one that pulled out right now.
Hey, let me borrow the one. It's fire, dude. Round two.
It is what it is.
Vergas, güey. Vergas, güey. I thought Angel was gonna take it. Yeah, left lane, no? Left lane? I don't know. There's the next racers right here. Next racers next, right here. That's just fucking fast right here. Riley got that shit.
Yeah, no, but but you should have been like, hey, I didn't run the first round. Where am I at? Because if you didn't run the first round, how is this on the second round? How is this bike on the semifinals if it didn't run the first round?
Well, we could have
There's no way. There's no way. This bike.
let it win the winner.
But it didn't go through the rounds.
I'll put another 60
I understand. I understand where you're coming from. But this bike didn't do the rounds how everybody else did.
All right, look, leave it. Let him race everyone. Everyone that's on the list. Let him race everyone.
That's not a bad idea either. What do you want to do? So wait, Little Angel versus...
He could race everyone that was on the list.
Little Angel versus Goes, and then...
He knocks everyone out, then he's there.
You agree with that?
Que esta moto corra a los 5, a los 4 que ha corrido.
Just race all the winners.
The other winner. There's another winner, right? This was the first one. That flame took that shit. Left lane took that shit. Man, I got cops are on this way. Where's this flag?
Listen, it's not fair. You get it, you're cooling down your motor.
That's normal. Yeah, you didn't even say what type of engines or what distance or nothing. You're not even.
You know the distance. What is it? Try it. One more. That's way more than 8 miles, bro. Way more than 1 more. That's a little bit of all right. Hey, if you want to run something big and real, bring a car. Bring a real car. I got 600 horsepower right here. Bring a real man car. Look, my clutch costs as much as this bike. Yeah, no, this was Waldo 1, bro. That's it.
That's it?
No, it's not, but you guys can still run it though. I don't know.
Let's just race it. I'm gonna bend my more.
Mira. Win, mira. Win. Mira. You take the pot, and whatever money you get, you split if you win.
Let the man
Like, okay, let's say you get $200. If you win, he just gives you 50. He has to queda with the other 50.
This isn't even your shit.
So he still puts 50 down. Like half of whatever he gets, he'll put it down, and you put the other half.
More? You want us to go more?
You can if you. It's up to you. Y'all do negotiating.
¿Quién está llorando?
Alright, fish. Kick back, kick back.
Hey, bring a real car out. Fuck you. You crying?
Fish, kick back, fool. Kick back, fool.
These fools are cheating and shit. Fucking things. Hey, give this fool his money away. Give this fool his money. Where's your money?
They're changing bikes. They're changing bikes. They're not racing the bikes. At the end of the day, let's race it.
Hey,
Just race it. Hey, counterpart. Look at your congratulations. Look, hey, your man's the winner right here. The winner and everything. My man right here. Oswaldo. Your round of applause. No, racing. That's not for money.
I already gave him his money back.
He already has his money back. This is yours.
Then you can race some money.
Hey, whatever you want.
This is the final. Not for money though, not for money. He forfeited the pot because he started fucking with his mind.
Run it back. Hey, wait, why'd you give him the money? Huh? Why you take it? It wasn't a pot. Oh yeah, that's fucking cool. That's, hey, if you're cool with that, that's pretty fucking I mean, he had already won. We had to give him back the money. Is he gonna put back the $10? I gotta get a real car run out here, man. Who has a real car?
I can't go more than like this.
No, te dieron tus 10 para atrás, ¿no? Bueno,
Okay, pues.
Just give him $10 extra and that's it.
I gotta wait if I gotta race. Dale. 35. Aquí no va a ser 25.
I told you, put it in your truck. Hey, but next time we're just gonna put the bikes in one corner and not touch them. That's it. Then we're not gonna touch them no more. Maybe next weekend or some shit. That'd be cool.
When you got a rule book going too.
Oh, the street rules. Even right here at the runs, no, everyone knows the street rules. Now, if you don't know the rules, then you shouldn't be out here.
What is the first one?
No, Shake it out. Oh yeah, good job.
It's the deal. The runs are over. Shit, we're already in the truck going home back to the hood.
We in the hoopty whoopty.
We didn't do outro over there cause shit got crazy, like arguments. Y'all already seen in the video, so y'all gotta subscribe and everything for that right there.
Hey, run it up. Like, comment, subscribe.
That's top tier entertainment right there.
Stop playing. Vlogs are just getting better.
That's only the beginning, homie.
Only the beginning. Stay tuned. Next vlog. Shit. Hopefully there's more runs like that.
Yeah.
Pop out next time and shit. But yeah, we on the way home already, fam.
Next runs. For sure, another video, you already know.